Somebody asked about the email alerts. So how long should it take for those to go out? And there's a lot of questions around, hey, did you receive my email alert? Have you looked at my assignment yet? What I'm trying to do is respond directly to those email alerts and also populate the assignment record. The emails go out pretty quickly, usually within 5 minutes or less. And if you don't see it by then perhaps the workflow rule isn't active, or the criteria for the workflow rule didn't fire because you didn't form like an or statement correctly. Or I've seen also you will try and toggle a record back and forth, and depending on the criteria and how you've set it, you think, oh, this should fire again. But if it's set to only fire the first time, or once it subsequently meets the criteria it fires, then there's a lot of debate around, will that fire again or not? So I always try to create a new record when in doubt. But the answer to that is that it should be just in a few minutes.